Okay, a compound has a formula XF2, okay, and has a relative mass of 70. Okay, so what is the compound X? Okay, can you minus off fluorine? What's the atomic for fluorine? Yeah, fluorine is fluorine is here, 18.998. Okay, so I know that 18x plus 18.998, I just put it as 19. So 19 times 2 is equals to 70. So x is equals to 70 minus of 38 and 32. And 32 is sulfur, right? What kind of app is that? Oh, if you follow me, if you join my class, I actually ask you guys to download this app. This is damn sexy. Like, come on, man, you see? They label everything for you. Melting point, boiling point is in. Oh my God. I'm going to hug this to sleep, man. Yeah, I'm going to hug this to sleep. You see? Everything, even drawn for you also. My God. Okay, matter, non-matter, labeled for you. Oh my God. Overhead power cable, aluminium steel. Which statement explain the particular substance is used? Okay, let's look at 11. Aluminium has a low density. Yes, aluminium is having a low density. In fact, right, they are used in aircraft body. Yeah. Okay, it is used in aircraft body. A good conductor of electricity. Yes, because it is metal, right? Metal conduct electricity. Let's go. Good conductor of electricity. Oh, guys, if ceramic is a good conductor of electricity, imagine you sit on a toilet bowl and you poop. Bro, you get electro. Okay, ionic half equation. Okay, electrolysis of dilutes hydrochloric acid. Hydrogen is collected. Okay, at first you have hydrogen plus, okay, and plus electron, you form hydrogen gas, right? Again, hydrogen gas is diatomic, yeah. So you need to balance the equation by writing 2, 2, ching chong, done. Oh, almost.